Now, let us begin with a question. Raise your hand if this has happened to you. Yes. You're standing at the railway platform and two trains arrive simultaneously. Logic says take the 8:47 local. It's faster on paper, let's say. But something inside whispers take the 8:52 train. You ignore it, board the logical choice, and spend 45 minutes stuck between stations due to a signal failure. And meanwhile, your friend who took the 8:52 texts you from office, reached early today, right? That whisper, that's your intuition, your internal Wi Fi signal. It's invisible, always broadcasting, but most of us have forgotten the password to connect. So, intuition isn't some mystical superpower reserved for sadhus in the Himalayas. It's your brain's incredible ability to process millions of data points, micro expressions, environmental cues, past experiences, and deliver insights faster than your logical mind can catch up. Think about it. How did your grandmom always know when you were lying? Or how does your mother sense something's wrong the moment you walk through the door, even when you're putting on your best, everything's fine performance? So they've mastered the art of tuning in to their inner Wi Fi. For teenagers here, you experience this too. That feeling when you meet someone new and immediately know whether they are genuine or putting up a facade. That's not judgment. That's intuition reading the room faster than your conscious mind can process. And here's where most of us go wrong. We confuse our intuition with our fears. And honestly, who can blame us? Both come from within, both feel urgent sometimes. But here's the difference. Fear sounds like your anxious aunt. Beta, don't take that job. What if you fail? What will society think? Stick to the safe option. So fear is loud, frantic, and usually begins with, what if something terrible happens? But intuition sounds like your wisest friend. This opportunity feels right. Take it. Intuition is calm, confident, and oddly peaceful, even when suggesting something challenging. So let me share a relatable example. You're choosing between two colleges. Fear says, take the one with the bigger name. What if the other one isn't good enough? And intuition says, the smaller college feels like home. You'll thrive there. So fear focuses on avoiding disaster. Intuition focuses on moving towards growth. So here's a quick test. Close your eyes. Yeah, please do it. Close your eyes and think about a decision you are facing. The option that makes you feel expansive and curious, that's intuition calling. And the one that makes you feel small and worried, that's fear knocking. So that will help you make a decision. So you can open your eyes now, and I'm sure you must have, be able to differentiate between your intuition and the fear because both work at the same time. Your intuition is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. And here are four practical ways to strengthen your inner Wi Fi. One, embrace strategic silence. In a notification crazy world, we rarely give our minds space to whisper. Try this. During your daily commute, skip the podcast of music for just 10 minutes. Let your mind wander. You'll be surprised what bubbles up. Then, number two, body scanning. Your body is intuition's best friend. Before making decisions, pause and notice. Does this opportunity make your shoulders relax or tense up? Does thinking about that person make you feel lighter or heavier? I know a student who chose her college by visiting campuses and noticing where she naturally stood taller and breathed easier. And she's now thriving in a gut choice university. The number three, the morning pages practice. Every morning, write 3 pages of stream of consciousness thoughts. No editing, no judgment, just brain dump. And hidden in that mental chatter are golden nuggets of clarity. It's like meditation for people who think they can't meditate. And number four, pay attention to your dreams. Not the flying elephant ones, but the subtle, recurring themes. Your subconscious mind processes your life while you sleep and often delivers insights through dreams. So keep a small notebook by your bedside. And number five, trust and test. Start small. Use intuition for low stakes decisions. Which route to take home? What to order at a restaurant? Or which friend to call when you're feeling low? And notice the outcomes. Each time you follow your gut and it works out, you're building your intuitive confidence. And when you start trusting your intuition, something magical happens. You stop second guessing yourself constantly. You make decisions faster and with more confidence. You attract the right people and opportunities because you're operating from your authentic self. One participant from one of the sessions shared, I used to spend hours researching every small decision. Now I research the facts, then check in with my gut. I've never been happier with my choices. Your intuition isn't trying to make life harder, it's trying to make it more aligned with whom you truly are. So here's a beautiful truth: your intuition has been with you since birth. It guided you to your first smile, your first word, your first friend. It's not something you need to develop, it's something you need to remember. Like the North Star that guides travelers for centuries, your intuition is your internal navigation system, always pointing towards a true north. Not where other things you should go, but where you need to go to become who you are meant to be. So, right now, close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask yourself, what is one small decision I need clarity on today? Don't think, just listen and write down the first thought that comes. That thought, it's your intuition sending you a message. Your only job is to take one small step in that direction today. So I would say, trust the signal. Your inner Wi-Fi has been waiting for you to log back in. So with that thought, thank you. Thank you everyone for joining us today.